How to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. First thing first, go ahead and open up the Messenger application. Before we go any further, I would like you to head down below and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Now once you are here on your chat screen on Messenger, you want to locate the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and simply tap on menu. And then from here, you want to go to settings. Go ahead and tap on settings up top. Once you open up your settings, you can scroll down here until you find privacy and safety. Go ahead and tap on it. And then once you open your privacy and safety, under who can reach you, you have message delivery, restricted accounts, and then blocked accounts. You basically want to go to restricted accounts and you'll see a list of accounts that you have restricted. Now you just basically tap on the account that you want to unrestrict and then go ahead and tap on continue. And once you tap on continue the account, you'll have the unrestrict button. Go ahead and tap on unrestrict. Now you have successfully unrestricted the account. I'm going to do the same thing for the other account. Let me just go back, tap on the account. And once you tap on that, you should have the unrestrict button. Go ahead and tap on unrestrict. And you've successfully unrestricted the person. Now they can easily see when you've sent the message or if you've read the message or not and all of that good stuff. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.